insalata verde con mele e provolone. We'll start a salad. You need your mixed greens, and I'm gonna use the apple. And I like to leave the skin on the apple because it gives it color, gives it nourishment. Just make sure that you wash it first. Okay, I have some lemon juice. Let me make the dressing. Get some salt, so just a little bit, and olive oil. And the ratio, usually it's 1/3 of the acidic, which is lemon juice or vinegar, and 2/3 of the oil part. You just put it in one of these masonry jars. Sometimes when I like to densen up my dressing, I put egg yolk, cooked egg yolk in there, really. So the dressing is ready. And here I have some arugula. You can make it all arugula. You can make it mixed, just like that. I happen to like arugula, and especially with cheese is great. To talk about the cheese, I'm gonna have the expert himself, Alberto.
Ciao, Lidia.
Benvenuto. How you doing?
You. Fine, very fine. Thank
Good, good. So I'm teaching them, my special friends out there in America, Italian food. And we are in Cremona in Italy, in his hometown, where the Auricchio is produced. In America, we see these cheeses hanging all over. Can you explain to us a little bit about these cheeses?
In the case of salad, I suggest to use a sharp provolone. This is a provolone aged over 12 months and is perfect, in my opinion, to use in a salad. Okay. Then we have the stravecchio, that is the black coat, that is over 18 months, and it is a different taste.
So it's progressively more complex.
Exactly.
And I'm going to cut myself a nice slice just like that. I can see that it is still moist and soft.
It's the particular of provolone.
So it must be aged, but not too salty. And the way that you keep it is that at a certain point, you put a wax covering on the cheese so it doesn't dehydrate, so it doesn't dry up, so that the saltiness remains minimal. And I'm going to put apples.
Perfect. Fruit, salad, and cheese is a perfect mix.
Okay, so I'm going to use an oil and lemon juice dressing. Is that okay with you?
Yes, perfect. For the salad, it's perfect.
And I always tell you, when you're dressing your salad, do not throw all the dressing in at once. You see, you just want all the leaves to be covered with the dressing. Now, I like my cheese nice and kind of like shreds like this.
Should be delicious. I like very much like that, but you can also cube or shred it.
And then we have also a third guest coming, and we'll introduce her in a minute. Just let me get the salads in the plates. So, Alberto, you are 4 generations, right?
Yes.
The company was started by your great-grandfather.
Yes, in the surrounding of Naples 141 years ago.
But you know what? What I was impressed when I came to visit was meeting your mother. Your mother, Nonna Mima, you call him?
She's the really boss.
She's the really boss. Should we call her in? Should we?
Yes, of course.
Okay. Nonna Mima, venga.
Come in.
Come on in. Oh, con regalo, bearing gifts.
Un assaggio dei nostri prodotti.
Oh,
guarda.
bearing gifts. Un bacione, le do un bacio.
Con gioia.
Mua, mua. Allora, che altro segreto ha lei per noi? What other secret that she has for us in cooking this cheese?
Col provolone ci sono 1000 segreti, puoi fare 1000 cose. La pizza, la pasta al forno, la parmigiana di melanzane, i panzerotti, perché viene tutto saporito e buonissimo.
She said what the qualities of it is, it's very flavorful, so it imparts the flavor. You can do it with pizza, you can do your baked pasta, you can do eggplant parmigiana, all of this. So it is delicious, brings a wallop of flavor, and it makes whatever you're doing nice and creamy and crispy. But you know what? Something that I admire much about this family, it's something that we do in our family with grandma, my kids and everything, is bringing the children into the business and keeping the family together. Cosa le significa a lei questo?
La vita, la mia gioia e la speranza mia per il futuro.
She said they are my jewels, the future, the continuation of what my husband and I and the family has started. We're at the table and we're talking all about the family, so it's befitting that we taste them. It looks like it's going to be tasty
It
as
is
well.
very good. Really
You like it?
wonderful.
Yeah?
Wonderful.
Squisita, bravissima.
Allora, questa è la mia ricetta per lei.
Grazie, 10 con lode.
This is my gift to her.
Buona,
She said,
davvero, eh?
buona, eh?
Ottima.